Lesson number 5, measuring distance, liquids and time. Keywords are distance, liquids, time, centimetre, milliliter, minute and seconds. Have a go at the first knowledge check, then come back and check your answers. Pause now. Answers to the first knowledge check. Question 1, degree centigrade. Question 2, centi is 1/100th of a meter. Question 3, the units m cubed are volume. Question 4, LCDM is 350. Question number 5, we wear goggles to protect our eyes. Question 6, a hazard symbol helps us to identify dangers. Question 7, two important languages in science are Latin and Greek. Question 8, we place a gauze on top of a tripod. Check your answers, correct any that you've got wrong, and then give yourself a mark out of 8. Overview: to use equipment to accurately measure liquids, time and temperature, to use scientific equipment to carry out separation of solids and liquids. As seen in lesson 4, we use lots of different units in science depending on the equipment used and the item being measured. For distance, there are lots of different measurements including furlongs, yards, inches. However, in science we use meters. Remember, we can scale meters up or down by using a prefix. So for example, to make meters smaller, we can put a milli or a centi in front of it, or to make it larger, we can put kilo in front of it to make it 1,000 meters. You must make sure that you measure any readings accurately. You will have used a ruler in primary school to do measurements. What are the accurate readings on this ruler below? Write your answers in the blank spaces. Pause the video, have a go, and come back and check your answers. A is 2 centimeters or 0.02 meters. B is 13.5 centimeters or 0.135 meters. C is 15.3 centimeters or 0.153 meters. D is 27.8 centimeters or 0.278 meters. Measuring liquid. We can use a measuring cylinder to accurately measure liquids. We can achieve a more accurate reading when using a measuring cylinder if we bend down and take a reading at eye level. The liquid in the tubes will be curved due to surface tension, and to accurately take a reading, we take a reading at the bottom. The curved shape is called the meniscus. Measuring time. The standard unit for time is the second, but sometimes we can use minutes, hours, even days, depending on what we are measuring. It is useful to remember that there is 60 seconds in a minute and 3,600 seconds in an hour. When taking readings, it's important to make sure that we do the correct conversions. The clock is not showing 13.3 minutes, it's showing 13.5 minutes. You have to always make sure you're doing the correct conversions. For some extra practice, have a look at the objects and see if you can make the correct measurements. now have the other
Hello,
final
and now
knowledge
have a
check.
go at the last
Pause
knowledge
video
check and
now.
application of knowledge. Hello and welcome back. Let's go through the answers.
Question
number 1, which measurement is used for
Question
distance?
2,
It's
the
meters.
curve shape
Number
in the measuring
2,
cylinder
what is the
is
name
called
of the
meniscus.
curve in a
Question
measuring cylinder?
3,
It's
the units
meniscus.
of volume
The
are
units
cubic
for
meters
volume are cubic meters or
centimeters.
centimeters
Question
cubed.
4, half a minute in seconds
0.5
is 30
minutes
seconds.
in how
Question
many seconds
5,
is 30
objects can
seconds. Some
block light to
objects
form
can block
shadows.
light and
Question
form
6,
shadows.
a risk is what can happen because of a hazard. Question 7,
The father
the
of
father
modern
of modern
science
science is
was whom?
Democritus. Question
Democritus.
8,
In terms of
a centi is
length,
1/100
centi
of a
means
meter.
what? 1/100 of a meter.
9, we can use a
Name
ruler,
3
a
pieces of
measuring
equipment
tape, or a
used to
measuring
measure
wheel to
distance.
measure distance.